Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play session 32 on guitar, only way. Start by tuning to standard, place a light capo if desired, then practice the chord progression M, C, G, D slowly with clean transitions and steady down-up strumming. Focus next on the core riff played on the high E string. Use alternate picking for clarity, and loop short sections until the timing and tone feel natural and confident. Work on the groove by subdividing beats into 8 notes and practicing with a metronome at a comfortable tempo, slowly increasing speed as you gain control. Use a soft pick to blend dynamics and emphasize beats 2 and 4 for a relaxed, steady pocket. When palm muting, lift slightly during chorus sections to let chords breathe, and loop tricky measures while slowing them to 1/2 speed before returning to full tempo. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and get more guitar sessions. Quick recommendation: I've been using the Kindle Paperwhite for tuning reference books and chord charts because it reads anywhere and stores PDFs easily, and it pairs well with practice lights and stands. Check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Target the melody by isolating the high E string licks and practicing them with a clean tone until they sing and lock with the chords. Use alternate picking for speed and economy, and add tasteful bends and slides to mimic vocal phrasing while keeping notes clear. Pay attention to dynamics so backing chords sit slightly lower, and integrate leads back into full band timing after mastering small sections slowly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.